In our last session, we had started seeing our types of motion, that too based on path, based on duration, based on speed. We had seen the types of motion. Before entering into that, let us recollect the lesson first. Okay, our lesson is force and motion, isn't it? So motion is nothing but according to the timing. If any of the object is moved, then we are calling it as motion, and if it is in a stationary position, we called it as it is at rest. Understand, children? Then we had seen how force reacts, this and all we had seen, whether it's a, there is non-contact force, contact force, like that we had seen. Then force can change its change the direction, change the speed, even it can change its shape, like we had seen certain things. Understand, children? Now we are going to see about the types of motion, that too I had given a gist already, isn't it? Let us recollect those points and we will enter into the remaining portion. Okay, my dears, come on, let us get into the lesson. First, types of motion. Types of motion, that too based on path. Okay, based on path. Okay, children, it is divided into 6 types. What are they? First one, linear motion. Second one, it is curvilinear motion. Third one, it is circular motion. Then fourth one, it is rotatory motion. Then fifth one, it is oscillatory motion. Then sixth one is zigzag motion. See, what is linear means? It is nothing but straight line. It is what? Moving in a straight line. Straight line. Then what is curvilinear means? It will attain certain curve. It is attaining certain curve. For example, if you are throwing a paper plane, or if you are throwing any stone or a ball, that time it will attain a curve position, then it will come down. Such a type of motion only is called as curvilinear motion. Understand? So, it will attain curve. It will attain curve for some time. Then it will again come down. Okay, children? Next is a rotatory circular motion. It will, from the word itself, we can understand it is showing the circle. Okay, children? Circle. Then rotatory motion. That is nothing but rotated in an axis. You imagine top. Okay, we will be playing with the top. That time the center tip will be at the center only. Remaining part only will rotate. For example, fan also the example for the rotatory motion. Okay, in the axial there is no change. Only their tip will be changing their position. That is only is called as rotatory motion. Understand, children? So rotated in an axis. Okay, rotated in an axis. Okay. Next, oscillatory motion. It is nothing but vibration like. There is a back and forth motion, to and fro motion. Okay, example is the simple pendulum. In the last class itself, we seen about simple pendulum is a very good example for the oscillatory motion. Okay, even the swing also, playing in a swing is also an example for oscillatory motion. Back and forth. In a simple way, we can say, see what and all I am given is a simple ideas. If you know that it is such a kind of motion, like we can explain them. Understand, children? Yes, oscillatory is nothing but back and forth. Back and forth. Front and back, it means. Understand, children? Next is zigzag motion. From the word zigzag, it's a random. You can't imagine in which way. Say, for example, an insect, if it is flying off means, or mosquito or flies, we could not find it. Okay, so it will be moving in any direction. So even if you are walking in a crowd, what happens? Where there is an empty space, where is a less members are there, we will be trying to move towards that. So that time it is called zigzag motion. Understand? So it is a random. Okay dear. Okay, in an activity 5 they are given what means the activity. Activity 5, an insect is moving. An insect is moving in a straight line. You imagine it is moving in a straight line. It is nothing but linear motion. Understand children? Linear motion. Next it is attaining certain, for limit it is attaining one curve line. I already said if it is attaining a curve then anytime it can be dropped down. Okay, that kind of motion only is called as curvilinear motion. Understand children? Curvilinear motion. Then they are given an insect is circling. Okay, that time it is circular motion. Circular motion. Okay children, next the insect is moving anywhere, zigzag. Okay, it is a zigzag movement. Zigzag motion. Okay, next they are saying an insect is coming back, to and fro motion it is attaining. That time it is nothing but oscillatory motion. Okay, oscillatory motion. This is what they given in the activity 5. Understand? If we go through the activity 6, that time still more you will get a clear ideas. See examples. Okay, for each and every motion they are given some certain example. If we go through it we can understand still more clearly. Understand children? We are now switching over to the activity 6. Understand children? Yes. Activity 6. What they are asked to do in activity 6 means they are asking us to classify. Okay, what kind of motion the particular activity is, like that they are asking. Understand children? So you are classifying. Okay, classify. I am just writing the classify. It is an activity. Activity 6 it is. Okay, classifying what kind of motion it is. First one, what is they given? A spinster running in 100-meter race. What they given? A spinster running a 100-meter race. What happened at the time? Probably sprinter is nothing but a player, runner. Okay, runner, he is running in a 100-meter race. In which motion he is possessing means he is possessing linear motion. Straight line motion means we are calling it as linear motion. So the answer is linear motion. Okay children. Next, a coconut falling from a tree. Okay, a coconut is falling. A coconut falling from a tree. That time what kind of motion it is possessing? It is also straight line from top to bottom, straight away it is falling. That time again it is a linear motion. Understand children? Linear. Okay, linear motion. Then thirdly, striking a coin in a carom board. Okay, in a carom board we will play. See, anywhere the coin may split. That time it is splitting everywhere. Understand children? That time it is a zigzag motion. Okay, what is the third one? Striking a coin. Striking a coin in a carom board. Carom board game. At that time what happened? It is moving anywhere. It will split everywhere. So it is a random. We could not find out in which direction the coin is going to be moving. So it is moving everywhere randomly. That time it is a zigzag motion. Understand children? Zigzag motion. Okay. Then what they given in the fourth one means, so motion of a flies and mosquito. Again, motion of a flies and mosquito you can't judge. It can go anywhere. So that time also it is a zigzag motion. Understand? Fourth one. motion of flies and mosquitoes. Okay, mosquitoes. That time it is again, it is zigzag motion. Understand, children? Zigzag motion. Then, what is the fifth one they given? Beating of heartbeat. There is a periodic. There is what is oscillatory means? It is measurable. Okay, so it will come back. Okay, that means it is a oscillatory motion. What is the fifth one? Beating of heart. Beating of heart. It is having a particular timing. Okay, it will come back to its original position, original state. Then it is called oscillatory motion. Understand? Yes, oscillatory motion. Oscillatory motion. Then sixth one. What is sixth one? Children playing in a swing. Already I have said. Okay, playing in a children playing in a swing. So it is obviously, already I said, it is a oscillatory motion. Okay, to and fro motion. Okay, how much to they are moving, that much fro it will come. How much race is this side, the same race will be this side also. So to and fro motion. So it is a example of oscillatory motion. Understand, children? Oscillatory motion. Okay, then we are going to see the seventh one example. What is our seventh one? They given the tip of a hand of a clock. Okay, the tip of a hand of a clock. So that time the center position will be the same. If the axial position is same, then what type of motion it is? It is nothing but rotatory motion. Understand, children? The tip of hands of a clock. It is a rotatory motion because the center, okay, because the center axial position is not changed. That time, if the center axial position is not changed, then only the tip is, if there is change, then we are calling it as rotatory motion. Okay, children? Rotatory motion. Okay, what is our eighth example means? See, flapping of elephant ears. Okay, so it will also come back to its original position again. So what kind of motion it is? Flapping. Okay, flapping of elephant's ears. That time what kind of motion? It will come back to its original position again, means to and fro motion alone means what kind of motion? It is a oscillatory motion. Understand, children? Oscillatory motion. Okay, then ninth one. See, stone thrown into the air at an angle. A stone is thrown at an angle. So it will attain a certain curve. Again it will come back. It will drop down. So a little curve is obtained means what kind of motion I said? It is nothing but curvilinear motion. Understand, children? Yes. A stone thrown into the air at an angle. What kind of motion? I already explained. It is a curvilinear. It is attaining a certain curve and it is dropping down. So it is a curvilinear motion example. Understand? Curvilinear motion. Okay, then 10th one. Movement of people in a bazaar. Already we had seen this example. Movement of a person in a bazaar is what kind of motion? It is a zigzag motion. Okay, movement of people in a bazaar. It is a what kind of motion? randomly they are moving. Random means it is a zigzag motion. Understand? Zigzag motion. Okay, then 11th one. Okay, 11th one, movement of people in bazaar we completed. Then our 11th one is athlete running around the track. They given a word around. Around means definitely there is a circular path it means. Understand? Running around the track means, so it is what? A circle is obtained means it is a circular motion. Understand children? Yes. So athlete running around a track. So he is running around the track. So definitely there is a circular path is there in a track. So he is running around the track. So what kind of motion he is possessing means it is a circular motion. Understand? Circular motion. What is our 12th example is? So revolution of moon around the earth. Again the word around they given. So obviously there is a circular path is there. So it is a circular motion example. Understand children? From the word you can understand what kind of motion it is possessing. So if we see it very keenly, you will understand clearly. Understand? 12th example. See the revolution of the moon around the earth. Okay, revolution of the moon around the earth. This what example? It is circular example. Okay, circular motion. Okay, what is the 13th example? 13th, the movement of ball kicked in a football. You are kicking a football. That time what happened? For a certain limit, the particular football will undergo curve. Understand? Then it will drop down. So what kind of motion it is? It is a curvilinear. If it is attaining a little curve and if it is dropped down, then we are calling it as curvilinear motion. Understand? The movement of ball, movement of a ball kicked in a football. What kind of motion? Already I said it is a curvilinear motion. Okay, curvilinear motion. Okay, what is our 14th example is? See, motion of a spinning top. Already I said, if there is an axial point, if the center point is not moving in a fan or in a top, only the other entire part alone is revolving, that time it is the rotatory motion. The axial point is fixed one. Okay children, so motion of a spinning top. Motion of a spinning top. So what example? It is a what example? Rotatory motion. Rotatory motion. Okay. Then next is 15th example. See, revolution of earth around the sun. Again there is a what? There is a path. That to circular path is the, if there is a circular path, it is a circular motion. Understand? Revolution of the earth around the sun. It is a circular motion. Okay. circular motion. Next, 16th one. Swinging in a pendulum. Pendulum is already example of what? Oscillatory. Okay. Swinging of a pendulum. Swinging of a pendulum. What example? It is a oscillatory example. Oscillatory motion. Okay, children? Yes. 17th one. See, skidding down a playground. Okay, skidding down a playground set. That time in anywhere it can move. So it is a zigzag motion example. Understand? Skidding down a playground. Playground slide. It is what example? It is what example, children? It is a zigzag motion. Okay, what is our next example? Children skidding on a slide. That time in a slide he is in what motion? Linear motion. He is moving straight along with that. So it is a linear motion example. Children skidding on a sliding board. Okay. Children skidding on a sliding board. That time it is what example? It is a linear motion. Understand? Linear motion. Okay, this is our 18th example. Then 19th one. So, waging tail of a dog. If the dog is shaking its tail, that time see what happened? The center place is same. Okay, so the only waging tip alone, if it is changing, what kind of motion? It is a oscillatory motion. Understand, children? Waging tail of a dog. Waging tail of a dog. What example it is? Already said oscillatory. Oscillatory motion. Okay. Then next, our 20th example. What is our 20th example? Flapping of a flag in a wind. Understand? Flapping of a flag in a wind. That time the center, see, they will be fixing. Okay. Only the remaining part, their side alone will move. Waging. Okay. But the center axial part is same for the flag. Okay. Also. So it is also example for the oscillatory motion. Understand? Flapping of a flag in wind. What example? It is again oscillatory motion. Okay. Then our 21st example is, okay, 21st example. What is our 21st example? A car driving around the curve. A car driving around a curve. The word itself they given. In a curve, a car is running. So that time a path is given, that too circular path is given. So it is a circular motion. Understand? A car driving around a curve. The word around says what? There is a curve path there. So it is attaining a circular path. So it is a circular motion example. Understand, children? Yes. So a car driving, okay, around a curve. So what example? Around word. So there is a circle. Okay. So circular path example. Circular path. That means circular motion. What is our 22nd example? Woodcutter is cutting in a saw. Okay, where he will in a line wise he will cut, or in crisscross way. So in a line wise. So it is the example for a linear motion. Okay. Woodcutter is cutting. Okay. Our 22nd example. Woodcutter cutting in with a saw. Cutting with a saw. What example? A linear line only is making. A proper line, if he keep cutting only, the particular wood will cut off. So that time it is a linear motion example. Understand, children? Linear motion. Okay? Yes. Next, our 23rd example. What is our 23rd example? Motion of water wave. See, in the wave at the center point, there will be a point like remaining, they will form a waves. Understand? Waves one by one, more waves you can see. At that time it is oscillation. Oscillation is going on. Understand? So it is the center part is fixed one. Then it is obviously it is a oscillatory motion. Understand, children? Yes. So motion of water wave is example for what? So oscillatory motion example. Okay, then 24th example. So motion of a piston inside a spring. You know, if there is a spring, it will just what happened? It will adjust it in a which way? In a straight wave only. So inside the piston, it is what? Linear motion is there. Understand? Linear motion. So 24th is motion of piston. Okay, piston inside a spring. That time it is possessing. The spring will make you to move forward only. The forward means it is a linear motion. A line is formed. Line means it is a straight line, means it is a linear motion. Understand, children? Linear motion. Yes. Next is 25th example. What is our 25th? Bouncing ball. So it will again what happen? It is oscillating. Okay, bouncing ball. Bouncing ball is what example? Oscillatory example. Okay, oscillatory motion. Still they are asked us to write 5 more examples. Let us write that examples. Understand? Straight away you can write the example. Okay, children? So 5 examples they are asking us to write. Okay. Falling fruit from the tree. That we are writing. Okay. Falling fruit. Okay. Fruit from the tree. Fruit from the tree. It is what example? Straight line. So it is a linear example. Linear motion. Okay. What shall we write for the second one? For the second one, we shall write ceiling fan running. Ceiling fan running is a what example? It is a rotatory example because the axial point is same, center one is same, only the tip is moving. So it is a rotatory motion example. Understand? Ceiling fan running is an example for rotatory motion. Rotatory motion. Okay. Third one, what shall we write? Car running on the road. Straight line it is going. So example is a linear motion example. Okay. Third one, car running on the road. It is a linear motion example. linear motion. Okay, children? Yes. Next, still two more examples there. Let us see to it. See, third example. Okay, third completed, fourth one. So, shrilling stone tied on the rope. Shrilling stone tied on the rope is a circular motion example. Shrilling stone tied to the rope. So what example? It will form a circular path. So it is a circular motion. Circular motion. Then our fifth example is motion of a swing. Okay, fifth one, motion of sewing machine. Motion of sewing machine, that too machine needle. Okay, it is in what example? It will move in a oscillatory, it will form a oscillation. Okay, so it is oscillatory example, oscillatory motion. Okay children, remaining thing we shall continue in our next session. Thank you.